welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you guys my Dollar Tree haul. Now, last week we went on a road trip. We went to Door County, which is like the tip of Wisconsin. And we stopped at a Dollar Tree that I absolutely love going to when we visit my husband's family. It's about 45 minutes away from us, but I always love stopping at that store. I don't know why, but I find some really good stuff there. And we didn't get to go a couple months ago when we went, but I'm like, can we go this time? He's like, yeah, because we're not in a hurry. So I was getting a little bit crazy. So I bought a bunch of stuff, and I did buy a lot of stuff because I've been into crafting a lot lately, and I will be making more DIY videos. But I've been really into like spray painting, and I'm just kind of keeping myself busy, just, you know, all that stuff. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. And then I went to the Dollar Tree today to pick up some more items, and I found some stuff that's been on my list. So as you guys know, the Dollar Tree started carrying like some Cricut knockoff stuff of the Dollar Tree brand, and I've been on a hunt trying to find some of this stuff. Like, some stores have a whole end cap from these groups that I'm in, but I've been on a hunt for some of the tools because these tools are perfect. But I did hear that their vinyl sucks, so I don't know what to do, but I just bought one just to see how it is. But I ended up buying this little pick thing. I use these like crazy. I like the straight blade more than the curved blade, but I need to get used to this one. But I bought two of these actually. I left the other one on my desk, but I'm excited to use this because this is $1. The other ones are like $2 or like $5, $6, $7 just to buy them individually. So yes. And then I bought a ton of canvases. I've been really into making some art, and why not get the Dollar Tree canvases? So I just grabbed a bunch of them. So I grabbed like, what, 4 of the 8x10s, and then I got one of the, was it 5x7? And then I got a couple of the 4x6s, and then my son wanted just one of those little flat ones. I says, I don't care. So I plan on doing some artwork with that kind of stuff. And then I also wanted to get some trays. I ended up getting 3 of the square ones and 2 of the round ones. Again, I'm working on some projects with this. And then we did get some other stuff, but we ended up using it, or I put it away already because that was from our trip last week. These are just the craft items that I got that I have not put away yet because I'm a butt. And so I just wanted to share with you guys those because those are going in my craft storage area. So 2 summers ago, I bought a bunch of pools at Walgreens that were 90% off, and last year we blew up one because there's not much to do, but we had bugs like crazy, and we ended up using these nets. Now, these nets take the bugs out of the pool. One only lasted a couple of days, but another one lasted, you know, pretty much for the rest of the summer. So I got 2 of them just because when you find them, you got to use them. But these are perfect nets for a little kiddie pool to get the bugs out and all that grass and everything. So love these nets. They're not like the greatest quality, but you know what? I'm totally fine with that. My daughter's jumping in the background if you guys hear her making some baby noises. So I got those because those are perfect for what we need them for. Now here is the cheap Cricut vinyl. Now this is just the transfer tape. They didn't have the regular vinyl, but I heard the transfer tape is not the greatest either. I actually use the Dollar Tree shelf paper. I can't reach it, I have a storage spot. But I use the Dollar Tree clear shelf paper for transfer paper, and that is the best. Some of the batches have been crappy and some of them have not, but the ones that I've been using, the ones that are crappy, got this extra sticky to it. But anyways, I'm here to try this to see how well it is. So this will be a project I'm going to work on. We'll see how well it does, but I still like the shelf paper because you get a lot more for your $1 that you spend. I'm going to be getting back into resin. I used to do resin projects like crazy, but then I got pregnant and I couldn't do it anymore. But now since my kids are older, I can start getting back to it. So I just needed some plain plastic cups so I can mix my resin and stuff in there. So I got that because I have little mini bottles, or little mini cups, but wanted to get some bigger ones. My husband, and I've done this, actually I'll show you guys this. This is what I use when I spray paint my cups. A lot of you guys know I do jeweled cups and everything, and I just do a bunch of different things. And these are really perfect to just put them right in the cup, and then spray paint them. The only thing is this is kind of flimsy, but I'm going to use a PVC pipe and kind of glue it in there. But these are perfect for spray painting if you guys ever need to spray paint a cup. And I'm going to share with you guys this. I've told you guys this a couple different hauls. My husband absolutely loves these pizza crusts. These are $1 and there's one of them. Okay, there's only one. I thought it was a 2-pack. These are $1 and he goes, I mean, this one of them can just fill it. All he does is put pizza sauce on it, some pepperoni and some mozzarella cheese, and he bakes it. But he absolutely loves these. Every single time I go to the Dollar Tree, he's like, can you get me more pizza crust? Can you get me more pizza crust? So that is a repeat buy over and over and over again. We ended up, I've been really liking this Jell-O. I buy this Jell-O at the Dollar Tree when I can find it. Sometimes it's not always available. When I do find it, I get it. My grocery store sells this for $1.19, so I'm like, sweet, I saved myself 19 cents. I really like the Tropical Punch. My daughter likes it too. So she's been kind of just having me feed it to her because she makes a mess with it. But absolutely love the Kool-Aid Jell-O. My husband saw these sprays of the glass cleaner. He actually uses the wipes, but he wants to try the spray. He wants to keep one at work for him and then one over at our house to see how well they do. So we will see which is better, the wipes that he loves to use, or they're the wipes is what we get. We get them at Walmart because it's actually cheaper to get a box of them at Walmart than the whatever pack they sell at the Dollar Tree. But we'll see. I don't know if this is the same brand. No, this is some other brand, but you know what? He wants to try it. My daughter has been hardcore into coloring lately, and she's filled up like every single coloring page we've had. She just colors and colors and colors and colors and nonstop. But I saw Precious Moments coloring book, you guys. I used to collect Precious Moments. I actually still have them at my parents' house, which I should get rid of them. But I mean, they're not like, I don't know. They do look like they're Precious Moments, but they're not. But I'm like, I'm not complaining. But for $1, my daughter can have fun with all those as much as possible. My husband ended up getting these, was it Tajin Snack Club things? These are like corn nuts, but they're corn, toasted corn, and it's chili and lime. I'm like, you know what? You want them? Go for them. You can have that. I've been having very bad wrist problems lately, especially when I wake up in the morning. My wrists are really hurting, so I've been wearing a glove or whatever for my wrist. But I ended up buying these. I bought a black one and a pink one. I haven't opened the pink one yet, but I did open the black one, and I did wrap it around my hand, and it was perfect, but it was a little too thick. So I'm actually going to cut that in half and use that, or maybe even cut it in a third because I don't need it that thick. But it is perfect for me, so I ended up getting 2 of them just in case, because I've been having problems. Oh, you're making me a potato? Thank you. That's a delicious potato. Okay, there you go. There you go. Got some potatoes made. The next thing Graham grabbed is the Kingsford Cajun Style Spicy Louisiana Classic All-Purpose Seasoning. So I'm like, okay, if you want to get that. He loves seasonings. He puts seasoning on everything. So, yeah. And as you guys know, 4th of July is coming up soon. And we love watching the fireworks. We go to our town next over, and they have this huge thing of fireworks that we absolutely love to watch. Our neighbor looks like they're having a fireworks show too. And I'm like, let's get the kids all wearing their glow sticks, because these are perfect. Like, perfect, perfect, perfect glow sticks. So Ben wanted the ones that are a 4-piece that are lanyard sticks, so like a necklace, and then 25-piece, and these are bracelets, but you can stack them onto each other and make other ones. But he got these so we can have some fun with the fireworks, so we're all glowed in our patriotic outfits. But yeah, that was everything that I got. I've been really trying not to buy a lot of stuff. I've been really trying to avoid, you know, buying a lot of things. But like I said, I'm trying to do some more Dollar Tree stuff, or do more DIY stuff, and so I need some of that crafts, and I'm okay with spending $1 if I mess it up. So that is what's going on. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys another time in the future for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.